everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you remember the first time you tried to speak English and you forget words? Felt nervous or maybe people laughed? I remember my moment very clearly. I was sitting in a classroom and teacher asked me a question in English and my mind just went blank. I wanted to answer, but no words came out that day. So I thought maybe English is not for me. But today things are different. Not because I suddenly became confident, but because I found a new friend. A friend called AI. Yes, artificial intelligence. And trust me, this friend has changed the way I learn and speak English. Earlier, learning English felt like a climbing a mountain. I had books, I had grammar rules, I had notebooks full of vocabulary. But when it came to speaking, everything disappeared. Can you relate? You study so hard, but when you open your mouth, your tongue gets stuck. I used to think maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe I can never speak fluently. And honestly, it hurts. Because English is everywhere in jobs, on the internet, in social media. Even kids were speaking better than me. Right, friends? One day I was scrolling on my phone and I saw an app that said, practice English with AI and get instant feedback. I was curious. I thought, really, can a machine teach me better than humans? Still, I downloaded it. And you know what happened? For the first time, I had a practice partner who never laughed at me, never get bored, and never said, oh, your English is bad. This partner was available 24 by 7. I made mistakes and instantly AI corrected me. Slowly, I felt something new inside me, confidence. When I used wrong grammar, AI showed me the correct way. When I typed, she go to the market yesterday, AI smiled in its own way and told me she went to the market yesterday. And I was shocked. It was like having a personal teacher in my pocket. Not just grammar, AI taught me new words. I used to say very big. AI said, why not try huge? I said, I am very tired. And AI suggested, why not say I'm exhausted? Suddenly, my English sounded richer, more advanced. But my biggest problem was not grammar or vocabulary. It was fear. Fear of speaking. I thought people will laugh. People will judge me. AI helped me here too. I started talking to AI. They asked me questions and I answered. If I got stuck, they waited. If I make mistakes, they corrected gently. It felt like talking to a real friend who never gets tired. And slowly my fear started disappearing. The first time I speak in front of my relatives, I was nervous, but I did it. And deep inside, I knew this confidence came from AI practice. But let me be honest with you. AI is powerful, but AI is not everything. AI can correct you, guide you, support you. But real life conversations, human emotions, laughter connections, they only come when you talk to real people. So I use AI like my coach and people like my real teammates. This balance has helped me the most. So if you're also struggling with English, feeling shy, feeling stuck, don't give up. Try AI, practice, make mistakes. But also remember, the goal is not to talk to machines. The goal is talk to real people. Today I'm speaking with you. Maybe not perfect, but fearless. And I want you to feel the same. Tell me in the comment, have you ever used AI for your English practice? Do you think it really works? I can't wait to hear your story. Bye.